Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store. Actually, before we will start, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And secondly, make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device, thanks to which you will be able to follow all of my steps. If you do not have your Google account added, you can either do it in the Play Store or check our tutorial of how to add and remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so let's enter the Play Store. Here simply, okay, so we have to enter the password, so let me quickly do it. Alright, and tap on done. And this is what you will see after entering the Play Store. So let's tap on the circle, which is basically your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. This is the list of all available updates, of course. If you want to, you can mark all of those apps and update all. If not, you can choose them. So let me choose maybe Google Chrome, maybe Messages, and maybe Lens. So just mark the options and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device is right now downloading the updates. And after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. If that was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.